Hi, my name is Jacob Sapochnik, and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. Today I wanted to talk about e-visas and the myths and misconceptions that clients have about this interesting and unique visa. The first myth that clients are always telling me is that you need more than $100,000 to be able to get an e-visa. That is not the case. The law says the amount of money needed to be invested has to be reasonable. But what is reasonable? Well, that will depend on the kind of business that you're looking to set up. For example, if you're looking to start a consulting company, $50,000 or any other amount could be reasonable enough to start that kind of business. If you're looking to start a restaurant, no matter where in the country you want to open that kind of restaurant, $50,000 is not going to be enough probably. So we really have to look at the kind of business and how much money you're going to be able to need and use to be able to set it up. It is important to have a strong 5-year business plan that will showcase and explain to the government how that amount of money that you use is going to be enough for the business. Now remember, the lower the amount of money you're going to be investing in the business, the more you're going to have to spend from that money before the case can be filed. So for example, if you're going to start a business with $35,000, before the case is submitted, most of that money has to be spent to show to the government that you are serious and putting the investment at risk, and you have other capital to be able to sustain the business. The other question and myth that clients are always asking me is real estate enough to be a business for E2? Well, real estate, if you buy a house and rent it out, is not. The business that you need for an E2 visa has to be active. Has to be a business that you can show to the government how it's going to grow, how people are going to be employed in it. So a pure real estate by buying a house and renting it is not going to be enough. Another question people ask me is, can they work from home when they have an E2 visa? Well, in some cases you can, but I always tell clients that when you set up an e-visa business, when you set up an e-visa case, the more documents, the more proof you have to show to the U.S. government that you are serious, that you are taking a risk, the higher the chances are that you're going to be successful to get it approved. So if you're going to run the business from home, there is a presumption that maybe you're trying to minimize the investment, maybe you're trying to save money and save the risk. So I would typically discourage setting up business from home when you have an E2 visa. Another question that clients always ask me before they want to start their e-visa case is, can they move money to the US and as soon as they get the visa, send the money back? The answer is simply no. The money that you invest and you bring in, whether it's $50,000 or $100,000, whatever the amount is supposed to be used for the business. It's supposed to be used for the growth of the business. So even if you're not going to spend all the money before you file and there's no requirement like that, you want to make sure that you show them that the money is committed. And if you try to send that money back after the visa is approved, you're not going to be able to extend the visa, and in the future, you may be charged with fraud. So the bottom line is that those questions are always come up with clients because they hear it from other people, they hear it from other attorneys. The bottom line is that we always tell clients, do your research and ask the right questions. There is no set amount that you need to invest. You cannot use the real estate as a pure investment to get an e-visa, and we don't recommend for you to work from home. But aside from that, if you have a good idea, if you have a good business plan, you will be successful with your e-visa, and we look forward to helping you achieve that goal. Again, come visit our website and email me with any comments if you have any more questions about the e-visa. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best.